In September 2024, Apple will introduce the iPhone 16 Pro and the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which will be sold alongside the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus. The Pro models are the more expensive devices in Apple's flagship lineup and are typically the first flagship iPhones to get new designs and features. We're a few months away from the debut of the 2024 iPhones, but as is typical, leakers, analysts, and others with insider information are already sharing details on the new devices. Size updates and design changes. The iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max will have larger display sizes. According to multiple sources, the iPhone 16 Pro will have a display that's 6.27 inches in size rounded to 6.3, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max is expected to have a display that's 6.85 inches in size rounded to 6.9. With the larger display size, the dimensions of the iPhone's body will also increase. Both models are expected to be taller and wider than the iPhone 15 Pro models, and while thickness will remain the same, the weight will increase slightly due to the larger size. iPhone 16 dummy models leaked in April give a clear look at the size differences that we can expect from the iPhone 16 lineup. The Pro models are a bit taller and wider, and the standard iPhone 16 models have a redesigned camera cutout that's vertical instead of diagonal for the two-lens camera system of those iPhones. There are few changes to the exterior camera design of the iPhone 16 Pro models, with Apple continuing to use a square camera bump that houses the three lenses. The iPhone 16 Pro models are rumored to include an improved 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The upgrade should allow the sensor to capture more light, resulting in enhanced photos when shooting in 0.5x mode, especially in low-light environments. It would likely function like the 48-megapixel wide camera, which uses pixel binning to combine the data from 4 pixels into one super pixel for better image quality. Component prices for the standard iPhone 15 models were at a record high, up 16% compared to the iPhone 14 models. Apple absorbed the increased production costs for much of the iPhone 15 lineup, but Apple may need to increase the price when the iPhone 16 launches to avoid impacting overall revenue. We have not heard continued rumors of price increase, however, so as of this point we are expecting the iPhone 16 Pro models to cost the same as the iPhone 15 Pro models.